back, artistic family, to Shannon Gibson Art Design. So glad you guys are here. Again, I'm using the Deco Art Americana Decor Metallics. Again, they're going to be a staple, but regardless, to learn and understand how each paint brand and paint colors work, because even though I use all these colors for the most part on a regular basis, it's a whole different brand. So I'm still continuing to test and play with those just so I can see. So this isn't a tester per se, but every time I like to try different techniques, and I've been using the Dutch pour with these with just water. I do have them mixed in with my regular pouring medium, Liquitex Gloss Medium, and we'll see how they react and how they work with those as well. And as you guys can see, I have a gorgeous line of metallic glitter. I have some rounded glass beads, which are gorgeous, and I can't wait to use those. I will be using those today. And I also have the silver ones. Love these little tubes they come in. This is what the silver and the gold look like mixed. Super cool. Love it. And of course, I also have some more glass gravel. And I love the glass gravel even more so than glitter, which is what this stuff is because it has more of a reflective look to it because of the glass. I am doing a split canvas swipe that I'm going to blend together, and then we're going to do a center swipe line with pearl, sterling silver, and gold. I want a very elegant, soft piece, but yet going to pop with that gold, and then we're going to embellish it with all that yumminess. So let's go ahead and get started. I think I forgot to tell you guys that I was also using this new metallic white that I have. I did use the premix by Artist Loft, but I have some of their regular white metallic. All right, get out your sunglasses, guys. Come here. Ah! No, no, no. Oh no, guys. Oh no. Try to spread that out. Oh my. Oh well. Still gonna work. Whatever. Oh, there it is. I was gonna say whatever was in it just popped out. So here's a little tip, guys. Before you use your squeeze bottles, definitely check. Okay? Definitely check to see if you have any critters in there, because this happens. So now I'm just gonna go in slow. That's okay. It's a large canvas, 20 by 20. First time I actually used a full square. Normally I like the rectangles or the real narrow canvases, but I thought I would try that for this here. That looks so beautiful right now. It is so hard for you guys to see these colors. It's killing me. It's just stunning. Love this silver. I love metallics on their own. And how you can see, because of the mica, all these gorgeous lines. Like, they have their own designs. It's just beautiful. I cannot wait to swipe this. I've got my lovely rounded. This one keeps getting smaller because I keep having to cut it. But let's just go ahead here and start with the medium size. And like I said, I usually go random, you guys. So I'm going right down to the end. So now I'm just going to add my silver. Okay. I'm going to start right about here. And again, all of these just gives you excellent lines. There's so many ways to do a swipe, guys. And so I'm just gonna follow that. Okay. And bring down that metallic silver and white pearl. I'm pretty proud of myself. I mixed up just enough paint here to put on. Didn't overdo it this time, guys. For that gorgeous blend, that gradient somewhat look, the hard lines, so not super blended. Oh, look at that gorgeous lacing. Oh. So we know that these paints, again, learning, right? That's why I do different techniques when I get new paints, and I use the same paints for quite some time. Definitely are super cell. I'm not going to say cell reactive. A lot of my metallics are cell reactive. These are super cell reactive. I love the white. And through here, again, stretch that down a bit. So let me turn this around. You guys, just so you can see, so all of that movement using the variations, okay? You can see those fine lines from doing that. I love it. And then you can see the silver and the white just, you know, gradually underneath coming through, but then you see it dominant on top from the swipe line. And the color is like a -2 right now for you guys. You can see a little bit more of it over here. But wow. I just really wanted you guys to see before some of this is covered up. Absolutely stunning. So I can tell you that that white metallic is very cell reactive. Like I said, I have nothing but Liquitex gloss pouring medium, and look at the gorgeous lacing I got out of that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So yeah, can't wait to go ahead and let's bling it out, guys. Okay, so here I'm just getting prepped out, getting the Mod Podge ready, showing you guys the glitter I'm going to be using right now. I will be doing layers, so you'll see me lay some of the gravel, the silver glass gravel. Right now I am just following the movement in the lines, which was my whole goal and intention for how I painted this swipe. So I don't like swipes that are just got the center line and everything goes straight down. I want movement, depth, some texture. And so doing the squiggly lines up and down and following the motion of the painting will do that. I'm definitely not covering up that beautiful lacing. And I did get it on both sides, but as you can see, it's very dominant on the gold. So here I'm just sprinkling very lightly some of the silver gravel, glass gravel, and I absolutely love that, guys. It looks so much better down on the canvas than it does even in the container. And so I'm spreading it out a little bit evenly as well, and I'm doing so much as you can see, and then adding more Mod Podge and doing it. You know, I've just started using Mod Podge, and I know it dries quickly, but not too quickly. But for me, just so I can see the design better, it's just easier if I go in sections rather than doing it all at once. And again, once I complete this first layer, I will then show you guys what the next layer looks like and the next layer and so on until we get to the final result. So enjoy.